So yes mga katoski, good morning. So again, Saturday spin with Forte Down Cycling Club. So -1 dito ngayon sa Northern Ireland, pero ang ganda ng panahon. Ayan, mainit ngayon. So mainit ngayon mga katoski, so spin tayo kasama yung club natin. So hey, oh tinan mo, libreng pabi po. -1. Hey, bye. So again mga katotski, good morning. So ayan, ang ganda ng init, pero -1 ang lamig, budol pa rin. So again, morning.
Oh, nice straight lines here. Mirrors on the camera.
Tidy it up.
Tidy it all up, nice straight lines.
Get the tax now.
Keep Barry happy.
Nice line, I love it, so good. Wow.
Down here, half it now. I'll just take your face.
Yeah, exactly. You go to the front.
So ayun mga katotski, pauwi na tayo. So katatapos namin mag-spin. Ayos, masarap yung takbuhan namin ngayon kasi hello, mainit, maganda ng panahon. At least yung hangin mga 12 afternoon na, pero may kalakasan konti, pero at least maganda yung rides talaga namin. Yan, walang iwanan. So tingin sa kasama, nice and steady. Okay, so yan, Saturday spin done. Okay.